I mean, it was very, for me as a, corner, it was a very good corner for me because he executed the way I wanted him to do it against a super, super dangerous fighter. And you know what? People aren't going to realize what a dangerous fighter is unless he proves it on somebody else that's not a Umar. Then they might realize how good this guy is. But we knew how good he was. Hab was nervous on this fight. He told me, Coach, I'm very nervous. Before the fight started, I sent him a video and of Umar working out. And Hab says, we're all here, we're all waiting, but I'm nervous. And then you know why he's nervous? Because whenever you have an individual that can put you out, you got to be nervous. You can't be overconfident when you have someone that's that good. And this kid's that good, and props off to him. He never gave up. He always kept trying. And, but we were the superior fighter, more experienced. And, he's one step closer. And hopefully, he'll get somebody at top 5. Like he wants Corey Sandhagen. Hopefully we get that fight. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, Bekzat, I was looking at him. I go, man, guy's almost a mirror image of Umar, and give or take a little bit of speed. Who knows who's actually faster, but they're so close. After watching, tape on him before the fight, I go, ooh, and that guy's powerful. He's got heavy hands too. He drops people.
Yeah, I knew that. That's why we kept kickboxing range. I didn't want to be inside boxing with this guy. Could take our lights out. This guy's that good. But I realized, and the guy was good on the ground too. Don't get me wrong. Just that was where we basically had the edge on the ground. So that's where we wanted to fight. We had that slight edge on kickboxing, and I mean slight. I don't mean tremendous edge. I mean really slight. But I knew on the ground we had a big edge. So that's where I wanted the fight to go. And hey, let's face it, Umar did make it exciting on the ground. He didn't make it a boring just lay on you. He tried to finish the guy. He tried to hit him. He tried to hit him as well as he could. And, therefore the scorecards showed that he was trying because he thoroughly dominated, in one judge's eyes, a 10-8 round.